comment section. If you're on the live stream, you're very much welcome. If you're new to the channel, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification whenever we're having this live stream. So we are currently on the goal 1 hour charts. So this we expect the market to go down. Our analysis for this trade is
I'ma make it burn, 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 I'ma make it burn. Put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire. It is so hard.
This is a sell stop order. We set this sell stop below the candles because we anticipate the market to continue down, back down to this level. So we have not been triggered into the trade yet. We set the sell stop below these candles, these weak areas, so that we can only get trigger in when price start moving down in our direction, and our stop loss above the candles, because this price is going to continue down. There's no reason to break back up, since there are multiple week rejection suggesting that price is holding around this area. So we safely place our stop loss above the weak areas. So here is our entry. So we have not been triggered into yet, as you can see. So this is our stop loss. We have a 5 pip stop loss. I think it's a safer stop loss, and depending on your lot size, if you're having a bigger lot size, you should know how to manage your account size. I don't know the account size you use, so manage your risks effectively. Always have a stop loss on your trades. So we are just waiting for price to pull back, to start pushing down, for the momentum to kick in. And I think if you learn how to trade using the sell stop or the buy stop order, you'll see the difference. Because number one, it removes the impulse of just taking a trade whenever you come to your chart, and it helps you to wait for your trade, to plan your trades and wait for it to play out. And that's what we are doing. We come to the chart, we have analyzed the chart, but we did not take the sell immediately. We had a plan, we set our sell stop order, our stop loss, and we're just waiting for our plan to play out. So this helps you to be rational in the market and just wait for it. So if I was not having this live stream, I can just walk away from the chart and maybe check in 30 or 1 hour time to see what the market, what price is doing. So, and this is how you need to be trading. You don't need to be constantly on your chart, because you get emotional, because we're emotional beings. And remember, if price continue up, the only thing I can do is to just delete the sell stop order. I will still not be triggered into the trade, and this is the beauty of a sell stop or a buy stop order. If price continue up, I can just delete my sell stop order. I've not been triggered in, I don't lose any money. But the only time I get triggered into the trade is when price start moving down. When price start moving down, I'll be triggered into the trade and start making my money. So that's the difference. Always try to use a sell stop or a buy stop order for your entries. It increases your probability of winning each of your trades. Number two, it helps you to wait for your trade, to set your trades and wait for it to play out. And it reduces any emotional and impulsive trade. Because when most traders just come to the chart and click on buy or sell without really taking their rational time or taking enough time to analyze, have a plan and wait for your trade. If you are trading for a short time and if you are treating it as a gamble, that's fine, but that doesn't guarantee your long time success. But if you really want to be here for the long time, you should try implementing the sell stop or the buy stop. Just try it for a 50 or 100 trade and see if it is something that works for you. I usually trade, I usually have the live session once every day, but there are many demands that I should try having it twice a day. So depending on your time zone, I always trade 1 hour before the London Open, and I trade 1 hour at the New York section. So you can set a reminder. So we'll still have this live session. We'll trade the New York section later. So that's 2 hours each day. I'll be live trading. And if you are gaining any value from these videos and live stream, you should like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified. We have many viewers, a few likes. It takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel's growth. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot to be learned. I show you tips and give you strategy and lot sizing you use whenever you are taking a prop firm challenge or trading a personal account, because most people don't know this thing. They just use any lot size that comes to mind. First, and I've posted it on my community. I'll be launching a VIP group master course on the 17th of August this month, and there will be a lot to learn. And the first thing I'll be showing you guys, and I think is very important, is your risk management. That's the first on the list of the course, because if you can't manage your risks or protect your capital, then you won't be trading for long. You'll blow up your accounts and you'll be out of the market. So one of the That's why it's very important, if you're a serious trader out there, if you want to scale up your account or your trading career, you should consider taking the course. It's on the 17th. You can start registering now to save your spot, because to be closing on Friday. So the first thing on the course is risk management, and I'll be showing you some of the strategy I've been trading for a while that works for me, my lot sizing, and there's a lot more to be learned. So check out my page, there is my link there, you can contact me. Alright, price, let's go back to the charts. Price is still moving sideways. Price is still moving sideways. So just wait and see what happens. Let's check on our US oil trade. So the same thing applies here. The analysis for US oil is, this is the level we have drawn, key levels. Remember I told you the first thing when you come to your chart is to plot out your key levels. So this is a key level we have plotted out on the 4-hour time frame. Now key levels is where price has been and where price is likely to come back to. So we plot out that level, and price came, left a huge weak rejection. So we had a pullback. So we are anticipating a continuation up. We are not disregarding this as this is a bullish trend. Overall trend is bullish. We are not trading against the trend. So we have a strong push phase. It left a weak rejection. We have a pullback, which is the exhaustion. So we're anticipating a continuation up. But that was not what I did. I scaled down. I identified this as a key level, and this is the exhaustion. Anticipate a continuation, but based on the size of the candles, there's a lack of volume in the market, and this is a key level. So I don't jump on sell or a buy. I set my sell stop order below the candles, so that the only time I get triggered into this trade is when price start moving down, when the trend change. Right now we are still bullish, and I'm still anticipating price to go bearish, to go down. So I set it, if price continue up, I'll safely delete my sell stop order and look for another trade. So that's the analysis for US oil. So let's go back to the gold. So gold is pushing up. Just wait and see. If price continue up, I'll just delete the sell stop order and look for another trade. So as I said, if you're just joining us, you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever we are having this live session. And remember to save your spot in the VIP group master course we'll be having on the 17th of this month, which is on Saturday. Save your spot. Registration is closing on Friday. Alright.
make it burn. I'ma 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 make it burn. Put a little bit of shit. Put a little bit of shit. Put a little. It is so hard, I ain't got a fake. I can make that a fake. Verda, 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 verda. 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 Bad like spirits, I murder with my lyrics. Bad like spirits, I murder with my lyrics. Verda, 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 verda. Verda, 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 verda. I'ma make it burn. 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 Put a Set your place on fire. Let's get higher. You are gonna set your place on fire. It is so hard, I gotta fake. I can make that fake. Verda, 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 verda. 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 Verda, verda.
Welcome back, traders. If you're on the live stream, if you're a new trader, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you get notified whenever we're having. We have a lot of viewers but few likes. When you like the video, it shows me you guys are gaining value and enjoying the content. So I have only one like. I think we can do better. Takes you a few seconds, but it does a lot more for the channel. So I need more likes. Takes you a second. Can just do that for me. Helps the channel growth. So let's go back to the charts. Thank you. So we are currently on the gold chart. We set a sell stop order. If you are just joining us, this is a sell stop order. It's not an instant execution. This is a sell stop order. We set that order below these candles, and based on our analysis, we expect the market to continue down. This is a key level we have drawn because of this weak rejection. Whenever price got to that level, it left a huge wick. That's a sign of failure to break above. So this is the first sign, second sign, and that was why we drew the level from the 4-hour time frame. So we expect price to hold at this level. But when price came, price almost smashed through. But look at what happened. We have a strong bearish candle down, and this is not a normal. This is a 4-hour candle, so it's a strong sign. When we scale down, you can see this is a 4-hour candle. When price got to the level, we have a strong push down. For 4 hours, price has been pushing down. So we identify this as a exhaustion. As you can see, this is the way the market move. Let me just show you guys. The market move in 3 phases. The push phase. I know most of you know this, but I'm just doing this for the few who don't know. The push phase, the exhaustion, before a continuation up, for a continuation. That's if the market is moving up. The market start. This is the push phase. Market will push first, come back for a retest or a slight exhaustion for a continuation. This is like the resting period, and this is where you want to be taking your buys. That's if the market is moving up like here. So we have the push phase, which is this, an exhaustion, this bearish candle here. So we expect the price to continue up. But when we scale down to the 1-hour time frame, that was not what price was doing. After the exhaustion, we expect a big bullish candle to start forming up. But we saw multiple weak rejection. And see the momentum of the candle, the size of the candle, they are very small, indicating there's not enough bullish volume. Buyers are not that much in the market. Prices, because after this bearish candle, we expect price to smash through and start pushing up. But price didn't do that. Price start consolidating, moving sideways, and we have multiple weak rejection, showing us failure to break above this level. We can draw this as a level. Price is not breaking up, and that was why we anticipate a reversal at this point. But we will not just sell the market yet. We will not use an instant execution and sell the market. We set a sell stop order. Sell stop order below these weak areas. This is a sell stop. Let me show you. This is a sell stop order. We have a 5 pip stop loss. So the reason for that is if price continue consolidating and failing to break above this level and continue up, remember the overall momentum is up, it is not changed yet unless price start breaking this level before we can identify this as a trend change. So that was why we set the stop loss below these candles, below the wick areas. Only when the trend change and price start breaking this level before our sell stop will be trigger into the trade, and will be in line with the overall trend, which is now bearish. So we are not trading against the trend. We know that the price is moving up, the overall momentum is up, but we're only anticipating based on the evidence and weak rejection that the trend might change at any moment because of this weak area and failing to continue up. Because after this higher low was formed, we anticipate a higher high, but that's not what's happening now. The range of the candle and the volume is very low, so we anticipate a bearish presence around the level, and that was why we set this. So this is how you need to be trading. So if you are getting any value from the video, if you are a new subscriber, subscribe to the channel, like the video so that you get notified whenever we're having this live stream. It takes you a second, but it does a lot more for the channel. So thank you, really appreciate. We have a lot of viewers but fewer likes. Can do better than that. Okay, and remember we have this live session twice a day now. We trade an hour during the New York session, and we trade now too for 1 hour. So if you are getting any value, we have this every day. You get a notification whenever we are starting the streams. There's a lot to be learned. We show you tips how to trade the market, scale up your personal and prop firm, and pass your prop firm challenges. We give you tips on risk management, and we are launching our VIP group and master course on the 17th of this month, and the closing date is on Friday. There's a lot. If you can check out our page, you'll see more details, and you can contact me. Yeah, my link is on the page. Check it out. The first thing on the course is our risk management, lot sizing, and there's a lot to be learned. If you're a serious trader and want to scale up your knowledge in the market, remember knowledge is power. Only when you use it, and before you can use it, you need to have it. If you're a serious trader and you think this is the opportunity for you to increase your knowledge and broaden your view, you should consider taking the course. It's a very good one. So thank you. I think I'll catch you guys later. For now, we'll just let the trade run. If you haven't set your trade like this, you should do that. Remember, we'll still be back on the lives on the New York section, so you can set a reminder. All right, see you guys, and happy trading.